Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and you're viewing the How To Lady. This channel offers tips on organization, DIYs, and life hacks. And I am so excited today. I'm always excited. But we are going to look at how to organize your mail. That can be a little difficult sometimes when you got mail everywhere, but we've got a little hack that we think you might like. We're going to offer it to you. If you can use it, hey, take it away. And if you find anything about this video that you like, I don't care how small it is, I don't care if it's one thing, give us a thumbs up and subscribe below. And as always, we're going to get this ball rolling and we are going to knock it out of the park. Friends, welcome back, and as promised in the introduction, today we're going to share with you how we organize our mail. So to get that mail off your kitchen counter or wherever it lands, here's a quick hack that DIY that you can do to corral that mail. So I got a box from Walmart where I purchased an item. It's just a regular box, and it's pretty sturdy. And what I did was, now I have one that's a little larger than this, and I'll show you one that I've already pre-sprayed. But all you'll need is this box. You'll need a spray paint if you choose to color it. I'm going to color mine burgundy because one of the color schemes in my home is burgundy. You're going to need ribbon. Now I use cloth ribbon, but you can also use this ribbon as well. It's pretty sturdy. It'll get the job done. So ribbon is what you need. You can use a ribbon of your choice. And then I also used the Velcro, the two-sided sticky Velcro. So you adhere the Velcro, cut the size that you need, and I would suggest that you put the Velcro on 4 corners, or you can go straight down depending upon how heavy the mail will be that you're putting in the container or the box that you find. So you can go straight down with the Velcro, or you can just do the 4 corners of Velcro so that you can adhere it to the wall. The ribbon is just for decoration purposes. So you'll put it on each side of each corner and it'll sort of hang up like a little purse. So that's optional, but you know, I'll let you see what mine's look like in the end and you can decide whether or not that is the design that you want. Additionally, just some styrofoam. You can get this at Dollar Tree, anywhere. And I stuck mine after I glued it to the box. I glued it to the front of the box, and then the base of the styrofoam, I glued it to the bottom of the box. So that way I ended up with 2 sides. So I had one area where I stored my mail, and then the other area was an area for some other mail that didn't belong to me. So I'm going to show you what my finished product looks like, and then you'll have an idea as to how we're going to store our mail. I have my box that I used was a little larger than this one. It is sitting right here. I've already pre-sprayed it, and I think you have the idea as to how I'm going to fix it up and put the styrofoam in the middle and then spray paint it and give it another round because I want to cover the entire box. So once I stick the styrofoam in the middle and cut it to size and glue it where I need to glue it, then I'm going to spray paint the entire box with the styrofoam included. So if this is something that you're interested in, hey, stay tuned so you can see the finished product. Hey, my YouTube friends, this is the finished product of the mail organizer. The initials are optional. It's completely up to you to do all that decoration, but it serves very well. It's right here alongside my cabinet near my kitchen, and it helps keep us organized, and we can do away with trash quickly. If you have any questions about this video, please let us know. comments and concerns below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.